Hello, look at this vlog. I'm going on holiday soon. I'm going to get some practice, you know, by taking the dog for a walk. I'm vlogging it. It's going to be fun, isn't it, Lottie? Let's come in. Lottie, say hello to camera. Say hello to it. Hello, Lottie. Okay, well, let's have some fun. Follow. The most dangerous part of a dog walk. Crossing the road. God. Lottie, if you take a poo here, I'm gonna kill you. Trees! More trees! Isn't it beautiful? I think it's beautiful. Lottie, did you just No, you didn't! Good girl! We got them grass, lots of grass, lots and lots of grass. Oh, this is still going. What then? Okay, me and Lottie are gonna have a race. Lottie, on your marks. After you have that poo, which I didn't see, so I don't have to pick up. But right then, Lottie, you ready? Yeah, I can see you. Got ready, and go! What's that? You steroids or something, Lottie? Are you on steroids? How many diggers, or whatever that is, are now allowed on field? Sorry, Lottie, we can't go that way then, can we? Because whatever that is on there. What a bully! They're just gonna have to walk around this a little bit. What? I'm really annoyed now. It's gonna be a great vlog, a great dog walk. Lottie's gonna enjoy herself. I was gonna enjoy myself, but I'm not enjoying myself now with that tractor, whatever. I don't even know what that is. So oh god, it's ruined everything. Like it always does. Hey, Lottie, do you want to take a selfie? How'd you do this? Lottie, look at the camera. Look at the camera, Lottie. Lottie. So stupid. What is she doing? So Lottie, guess what? Bah! God, no, Lottie! The trees again. Yay. Home again. We're home again. We're home again. It was that really short dog walk because that little tractor thing, it got in, you know, our way. It really annoyed us, but we still had so much fun. Just kidding. That's the end of the vlog, guys. As you know, I'm going to camping, like I said, on holiday in Dorset, I think, and it's fun for Yuli, and it's just practice doing Joe this Ettridg, just know Joe Ettridg, I mentioned in previous videos, and it's going to be great. Please give this video a like if you want more of these vlogs, and cheer over me, and cheer over Lottie. Well, Lottie's bum anyway. Bye.